What's up, guys? Eek with East Coast Ken, and I'm gonna try to do this Suburban video for y'all anyhow. But look at those windshield wiper blades. I took them off, sanded them down, hit them with some etching primer, some regular 2K primer, and then some jet black. Man, they look sharp. Let's get into repairing the distributor. Alright, y'all, so as normal, the first thing I did was disconnect the negative battery terminal. From there, we removed the upper fan shroud so we could get to the crankcase bolt to rotate it. And then we went ahead and removed the air filter box and the air filter so we could get to the distributor. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to point to the little line. I marked that on the harmonic balancer with some white paint. Yep, right there. That way I could adjust the timing and I could actually see where it's marked at. Alright, so here Dad's rotating the crankcase for me, and what I'm doing is I'm trying to get my finger in there to feel the compression stroke come out. So you would feel that gust a little bit of wind, but go ahead and make a joke, guys. I couldn't get my finger in there far enough to feel it, so we had to come up with some other suggestions and ideas to get this done, and that's what we did. Alright, y'all, so the next method I came up with was sticking a screwdriver in there, so when it came up to top dead center, it would rotate the screwdriver. However, I didn't want to damage the piston or get it stuck in there, so we came up with another solution that was successful for us. So what I'm trying to show you guys here is the slot in the oil pump that I used a screwdriver to rotate to help get top dead center, and we used a compression checker, which is a picture right here, and it was successful. So here I'm trying to show you guys where that tick mark is, the white line being in that V groove on the harmonic balancer, putting it at 0 degrees. She's idling nice, guys. Let's check. Do we have? Oh crap. Service engine soon light. We'll figure that out. Alright guys, so what I did to check this service engine soon light was I took a paper clip and I folded it into a U shape. And on OBD1, if you connect it, one end of the paper clip into the top two right ports, the little areas that you could connect into, that will read off the service codes as to what you're getting. So this one right here is just me showing you how to do that. This isn't the actual service codes because I didn't have a good connection. So I didn't get the actual service codes on the camera itself. But basically what happened is I knocked the vacuum line off while I was climbing across the motor. So that was my issue, and that's why that service engine soon light was on. It was a simple fix. Thank you, Theo, with Country Mile Garage, because you helped walk me through it and the codes. Hey guys, that's what the YouTube community is all about, helping each other out. So again, it'll blink and then it'll blink 1 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, or it'll blink 1 and then 1, 2, 3, and then you just Google that and it gives you what the actual codes are. So that'll help you guys out in the future too. Alright guys, so there you go. I did get the Suburban up and running. Took me a little longer than what I wanted to, but hey, it was a great learning curve. And now on any 305, 350, 454, whatever Chevy motor, I can do a distributor change. I know what I'm doing. That's why I bought this Suburban, because if I don't know how to do it, I can learn how to do it. So sorry about the voiceover. We were playing music while we were trying to fix the Suburban, and if you watch Ed the Old Tech Guy's live streams on Tuesday night, we had a few of the juices that he talks about inside there. So I didn't want a lot of it being shown in the video and getting, you know, YouTube copyright or whatever the issues are. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Next week we are repairing the purple toolbox that fell off the trailer, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Have a good one, y'all.